Hey everyone, in today's video we got a very special unboxing. This one is a Mschf $1 million puzzle. If you guys do not know, Mschf is a crazy company that comes out with all kinds of fantastic new drops every 2 weeks. And this one, how it works is you buy the jigsaw puzzle, complete the puzzle, scan the completed puzzle, which is a large QR code. You can either win or win. Winnings are between 25 cents and $1 million. As you can see right there, here's a look at what it looks like. You can't scan this one, of course, it's not going to win. But let's go ahead and check out the actual puzzle and see what we've got. I've also got 2 helpers today to help us complete this puzzle. I've got my cousin Jonah and my wife Sarah here with us. So say hello, guys.
What's up?
Hey. 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 All right, guys. Let's go ahead and pop the top on this. I actually did have a knife, but ended up not needing it. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Now it says right here on the box, once again, everyone is a winner. And that, no, seriously, you can't lose. So let's check it out. Open up the box. Oop, it just comes out like a slide. Do not throw away this card. It contains special information needed to redeem your prize money. Number 1, assemble the QR code puzzle. Sorry, there isn't a visual reference of what you're building. You have to earn it. Once assembled, take a picture of the completed puzzle on your mobile device. You will then be directed to 1millionpuzzle.com. Enter your secret prize code from the bottom of this instruction sheet. Follow the online instructions to redeem your reward. Share your puzzle on Instagram or TikTok with hashtag 1millionpuzzle. And there's my secret prize code, which will be void by the time this video comes out, like my cousin just stated. Stop. Before you start, take a photo of your secret prize code, print it on the insert in your puzzle box. If you lose your code, you cannot claim your prize, then nobody wins. We hate that. So Mschf definitely wants us to win. This is going to be very exciting, guys. Let's go ahead and get everything out of the way and get started on the puzzle. We'll go ahead and get us a timer pulled up here in a second too. I'm going to hand this phone to my wife and get us a timer while I open up the bag and check it out. Hopefully we do not lose a piece either. That would be terrible. All right. Now, first thing, I'm already seeing some edge pieces, lots of edge pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and start separating. Guys, if you guys see any edge pieces, go ahead and start separating those as well. And like I said, we're getting to it, guys. First things first. Awesome. This is already moving along very quickly. And going to be a fantastic night worth puzzling. This is 11 o'clock at night already, by the way, when we're starting this puzzle. So definitely going to be a long night here, but a long and fun night. All right, guys, we found 3 out of the 4 main corners, and we're on the search for the last corner. So far, we have a maroon, a blue, and a red corner. All right, now we have all the edge pieces and corner pieces separate from the normal pieces. Well, we actually only have 3 of the corner pieces separated, but the 4th is somewhere in one of these piles, and I'm sure we'll come across it soon. So let's go ahead and get started on the puzzle. We're going to put the edges together first. So kick these to the side, and go ahead and dump these out in the middle, and let's get started. All right, guys, it looks like we finally got the border done. Now we're going to go ahead and start working on the inside a little bit more. It's already been 30 minutes. I have the timer pulled up, and we'll show you guys what it's looking like so far. Right at 30 minutes, like I said. And boom, 30 minutes, guys. Let's go ahead and see how much longer this takes us. All right, guys, it's almost been an hour and a half, and in an hour and a half, we've only gotten this much done. This puzzle is pretty hard, and yeah, it's very time consuming, so please bear with us. Even fast forwarded, this probably is going to take a while, so hang on to your hats.
I think it's so hard my bones hurt.
I think it's so hard his bones hurt. That's thinking, bro.
Been recording for 2 hours and 17 minutes. They had half the puzzle done in this time.
No shit.
No at all. None.
None shit. Are we really gonna finish this tonight? It's 2 hours and 58 minutes in. We're gonna have to do something. My back is broken. 3:09 in the morning. Super tired. It's been like 3.5, 4 hours since we originally got started on the puzzle. And yeah, this is a painstaking process. You can, yeah, you can. You're just affirming that you're not right there.
Oh, you just gotta keep doing it?
Yeah, you gotta keep doing it, and you gotta say that you can do it and that you're better than everybody else. Everybody else does puzzles. I can do a puzzle better than everybody else. I just gotta figure out how the people do it that do it really well. Once I figure that out, it's cheese.
Cheese.
Mm-hmm. Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
It's cake. It's cheese. It's cheesecake.
I mean, right there.
That's it.
Bro!
I told, yep, that's what I was telling you. And then no, I showed it to you because that's where
So get excited.
Exactly. Now we got this puzzle going. Yeah, I have to. It's this is my second win. Like if I don't make it through the race, like I'm about to pass out my emotions. Guys, just now scanned the QR code. Now I'm gonna enter my prize code down below, and we'll see exactly what I won. There it is, spinning it up there. Let's see what we got here. I won 25 cents. 25 cents on the first one, guys. Oof. Oof. Big whammy. Big whammy. That's alright though, because I actually have 4 more boxes to do. So, it's pretty dope. Can't wait to receive my 25 cents, guys. I'm extremely tired, so sorry that this video was pretty lame, but woo! I'm beat. I'm trying to get some sleep, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more 25 cent $1 million puzzles. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.